Ready for the hike, everyone? Yes, let's go.
I can't wait to see the valley.
Me too. Let's stick together.
Is it tight enough, Mommy?
Almost, sweetie. Let me check.
Mine feels good.
Okay, let's see.
Looks like we're all set.
Let's make sure we have everything.
Good idea. Looks like we're all set.
I have my water and my snacks.
Okay, shoes check.
Mine are good. All set.
Perfect. Great job.
All right, team, let's go.
Look at the sky, everyone.
The clouds are moving.
Wow, so cool. A perfect day for our hike. All right, let's get this tent packed up. Up we go. And secured. Ready for adventure.
Perfect.
All right, everyone ready? Looks like it.
Look, the sunlight is so warm.
Yeah, it's a nice day for a walk.
爸爸，你看，这里的树好高呀。
是啊，我们慢慢走，欣赏风景。
Fresh air.
It's so nice, Daddy.
It really is.
Wow, look at that view.
Incredible. It goes on forever.
Whoa, amazing.
Okay, everyone ready?
Yes, everyone smile. Cheese.
Perfect. Got it.